Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a morning routine. I'm going to share my workout, what I eat, my skincare routine, the whole thing. So my most recent what I eat in a day, I asked you guys what you wanted to see, and a lot of you wanted to see a morning routine, so this is why I'm filming this. You specifically wanted to see my workout and, you know, just like how I get ready in the morning. So that's what this video is going to be about. I hope you guys enjoy it, and without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that I do when I wake up is I put on my workout clothes so that I don't procrastinate. Next, I like to make my bed so that it gives me a nice routine and the place is just neat. Of course, gotta brush the teeth. So then I like to drink a full bottle of water with my morning vitamins, and that is my probiotics and my moon juice supplements. These are great because it gives me natural energy and it also calms my nerves, which is great. After I take my morning vitamins and drink my water, I make myself a shake, and if you want to see the exact recipe, I'll link the what I eat in a day video below if you guys missed it, but I make the same exact shake and then just have a little bit of it before my workout. I don't drink a full glass of this because otherwise I would feel a bit nauseous, so I just take a few sips just so I have something in my stomach and I'm not working out on an empty stomach and I have a little bit more energy. Next, I just go straight to my mat and start my workout. So today's workout is going to be this Popsugar cardio Pilates. I love this workout so much. It really gets your heartbeat up. You definitely sweat, but you also sculpt because there's a lot of great Pilates movements in there. So this is the workout that I'm doing today, but I'll list a few other ones in the description box that I like to do because I like to alternate, and sometimes I'll even go outside for a run. So anyway, this is a 45-minute workout, so we're gonna go ahead and sweat and sculpt. And then of course I hop in the shower to start my day. So for my serum today, I'm just going to use one of my cult favorites. This is just such an amazing one. This is by Is Clinical. It's their Pro Heal Serum. And if you guys have followed me for a long time, you know that I'm obsessed with this. It's basically a vitamin C serum. And so the way I like to apply this is just directly on my skin because I don't want to waste any product, you know? And so I just apply it and then blend it in. And if I have time, obviously I'll use like a jade roller or something and just really massage my skin, but already today is busy and I have so much to catch up on, so I don't think I'm gonna do that today. Anyway, so I'm gonna put on a little bit of lip balm because my lips are so chapped. This is just the Glossier Mango Balm.com. It's really nice and it smells like mangoes, and it's next to my bed. Pretty much use it all the time. It smells so good. I don't even have a mirror in front of me, so I'm actually using the viewfinder as my mirror. So whenever my lips are this chapped, I know that I'm dehydrated and I need to drink more water. So I already had one bottle, but obviously that's not enough, so I need to catch up. And I think by like the second half of the day, my lips will be much more hydrated. So now that my serum is nice and dry, I'm going to move on to my moisturizer. So today I'm using two products because my skin, like I said, is super dehydrated. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix this Cosmetics Hyaluronic Acid Booster into my moisturizer. And just together, it's seriously the best combination for my skin. So this is the Is Clinical Reparative Moisture Emulsion. Again, I've talked about it a million times. I love it so much. So I'm just going to use one pump. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and drop one little drop of the hyaluronic acid, mix it together, and just massage it into my skin. I don't put too much around where I have acne. I just like a little bit around there, and that's it. And then if I feel like I need a little more, which right now I feel like I need a little more, I'm just so dry, I'll then go ahead and apply one more. So I'll just do the same thing. I just started using cosmetics and I'm already obsessed with this brand. I don't know why it took me so long to try it because it's so good. I use their retinol every night. It's called, what is it called? Serum 15, I think. or 16. I'll just link it below. But it's one of my favorite retinols I've ever tried. It's so gentle. I'm able to use it every night. It's so amazing. I used to use the PCA one, but if you guys follow me on stories, I was so frustrated with their packaging because it kept like busting from all over the place, and they're expensive. So, you know, like I would only be able to use maybe 70% of the product, and then it would just get ruined because of the packaging. So I was just like, after 3 tubes, I was like, nope, I gotta find a different solution. So I was getting a facial with Melanie Grant, and she was raving about the cosmetics retinol. So I was like, ooh, gotta try this, and I really love it. Okay, now my skin feels so hydrated and so nice. It feels so amazing. Moving on to my eye cream, and because I'm filming a makeup tutorial today, fingers crossed, I'm gonna use this Ole Henriksen eye cream because this is a really nice and brightening eye cream. It's the Banana Bright eye cream. It's yellow. It's so cute and does not smell like bananas, but smells like product, I guess. So I'm just gonna apply that under my eyes and on top. So typically I would wear a sunscreen, of course, and my favorite one I'm out of, it's the PCA Weightless sunscreen, and that's just so amazing if you have acne prone skin. A lot of sunscreens tend to break me out, and I wanted to give this one a try. It's by PCA again. It's the Daily Defense SPF 50. It's good, but for my skin type, again, I prefer the other one just because I do feel like this is quite heavy, and if I'm putting a little too much, I do notice some breakouts. So I'm just gonna go ahead and skip this today just because I'm indoors, and if I decide to leave the house, I'll definitely put this on, but I'm just gonna go ahead and skip this for today. So the last step in my skincare routine is this castor oil, and because I got my brows laminated, I will link that video below if you guys haven't seen it. I do this to basically bring the shape back up to how it was. So what a difference. And it's also nice and conditioning, so I do like to incorporate this into my morning skincare routine. And that's it. All right, my skincare routine is done, and for my body, I'm actually gonna use a self-tanner today because I feel quite pale. I'm gonna be using the Luxe Unfiltered Self-Tanner. I've been using this since the day I got it, and I'm obsessed with it. I use it about 2 to 3 days in a row, and then I'm good for about, I would say like 2 weeks, and then I'll do it again if I feel like I want some color back. But I really like this because I feel like most self-tanners don't necessarily hydrate the skin. In fact, I feel like the second day I feel super dry, and I feel like I need to put on every oil and every body lotion I have. And I feel like with this one, I don't need to do that as much. I mean, I still need to put on my daily moisturizers and all that stuff, but I do feel like this is a lot more hydrating than a lot of my other self-tanners. So anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this all over my body. So now that I'm done with my skincare routine, I'm just gonna quickly change and make myself brunch because it is almost 12 o'clock and I'm getting really hungry. So for brunch, I'm making an avocado toast. So I just have my piece of toast and I'm just gonna spread some avocado on it. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil over the avocados and also some salt and pepper. I'm also gonna add 1 egg, some jalapenos, and a little bit of everything bagel seasoning and some red peppers. All right, let's do the taste test. So good. Delicious. So that is it for my morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me. I feel like I took my time today and I really need to catch up on work. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me, and I will see you in the next one. Be safe, stay home, and please don't treat this like a vacation. Don't go to the beach and hang out with people because the only way to get rid of this virus apparently is by social distancing. I've been home for like over 2 weeks at this point, and I'm going a little crazy, so I'm keeping myself busy by filming and working out and cooking and all that stuff. But I know it's super hard, but the sooner this thing is over, the sooner we can get back to work. So thank you guys so much again for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye. I don't even, oh, I just ate it. Hyaluronic acid booster. I guess it's like a serum, right? Or a boost. Oh my god, one more time. This is just some sort of an oil. What kind of an oil is this? Castor oil. Okay. I'm using this vitamin C serum by Is Clinicals, or Is Clinical. Oh my gosh, I need to get this name right because I use this all the time. Okay.